Oh, so we're live. Okay. Wait, hold up. Let's check the sound. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Might have to turn that down a little bit. How's that? How's that? Are we okay? Looks like not as loud. I'm gonna slide the mic away from my mouth. Yoko, top of the morning. How's it going? How's it going? All right, so yeah, let's get in here. Let's check the charts. Looks like we got some upward movement. I was really hoping this level would come get hit yesterday. I was trying to wait, be a little greedier, but what's up? Hey, Sire, what's up? Top of the morning, man. Hey, have a blessed day, man. Calm, top of the morning. All right, let's see, let's see. Look, we got the Qs over here. We got, hold up, what is it? Yeah, we got the Qs over here. Let's come in, look at some other stuff. You said price been tricky. Yeah, I just kind of been. I like to swing, but yeah, I've been trying to keep it to. I haven't traded much. I've taken like six trades this year. I'm like 4-2. I've been kind of really selective because I haven't been jumping in much. But yeah, today seems like a good day, so I was like, yo, let's take it public today. Palantir, AMD. Hey, D Scurb, what's up? All right, Green TSM did their thing. Hold up, I didn't even look at it. Let's see. Oh yeah, sure did, sure did. I think today should be nice. I'm gonna come down. Yeah, kind of see how we're looking on the 15 on the SPY. AMD was looking nice today too. I was like, there's potential for SPY. AMD. I like AMD to the downside if we come up here, but shoot, I might wanna see if there's anything on the SPY too. But yeah, TSM could no, I don't have anything on it yet. Let's just see how it's looking. We got SoFi about to come into the CMA as well. Yeah, right now I'm liking the I'm liking the SPY, I'm liking AMD. TSM is always good to see the bullishness. What's this all-time highs? Yep, okay. See what comes of that. What we looking like on the vote today? All right, 25% red. Sit down. That bottom on Palantir. Oh yeah, I didn't even follow. Let's see, Palantir. Oh wait, I did. Straight up did just have Palantir up here. Yeah, it did kind of follow through. Yeah, we still got the little line drawn there. Chart looks a little messy. Let's drop down a little bit more. But yeah, we keep pushing higher. It'd be nice if we just sold off at open and just came down to support. I like that. Let's see. You know what I'm saying? Palantir was the first word I heard you say in the last stock buy. In the last stock buy at end of day, I didn't do anything with Palantir. I was just reading what D Scurf said. Right now, Palantir still appears to be like I don't know. It's kind of chopping around between like 183 and like 174 with a smaller range in between there as well. As of right now, like overall, Palantir is still in the downtrend. But yeah, SPY keeps pushing higher. Oh, we open in like 6 minutes. But no, I don't really have anything to say about Palantir right now. It's like if we want to drop to a lower time frame, let's see. We got the 200 EMA at a little below 180. But yeah, SPY keeps pushing. I keep having to slide this. Let me see if there's anything for it to take out. Like 695. Yeah, SPY keeps pushing. It's pushing right now. Look at these Heike Ashen, or wait, what are these candles called? Heike and Ashy? Yeah, candles. Hey, I see your 7% break even M cents. Hey, y'all be sure to smash the like button. SoFi might do well again today with positive bank earnings. I'm gonna need SoFi to chill out. So SoFi, I was checking a moment ago. They were kind of like right there at what is it? They were right there at their 13 EMA. That's still resistance for now. They were like a few cents away. I don't know why I don't see the actual stock. Oh, there it is. Oh, hold up. So yeah, right now we'll kind of have to wait and see. SoFi's range on the morning is pretty low for the moment. Actually, if we take a look at it, they got a little liquidity right here at 2681, but the range is pretty tight on them. Could also end up being like a double top if you look at it. It's like, oh, we kind of from this, I guess 2653 area, gapped up, pushed up, made a top here. Looks like we're making another one. Could come back, fill in that gap, and kind of close out that double top too. Doesn't necessarily have to play like that, but definitely a possibility. Bro, we are still pushing right now. Let me back on out on the cues. See. Hey, Steelers 43, you won in. Yo, top of the morning, top of the morning. All right. Oh, SoFi trying to push a little bit now. Yo, we got 3 minutes till market open. I'm gonna set an alert both sides on AMD. And make sure there's nothing else kind of moving. I know Meta's been moving a good amount too. Check in. We got the dollar running today. We got VIX is down. Gold's down a little bit. Silver's down a little bit. The Qs are up 1.23. Wow, then. IWM barely up. Let's see. Oh yeah, let me check in on Apple. Honestly, it's been holding up. I'm still sitting in this. We'll see if we can actually get anything out of this. Feel like today or tomorrow might be a good day for Apple. All right, we still got the Qs pushing up. Or not the Qs, the spies, but SPY, both of them. Qs were down 1.5 yesterday. Hey, yeah. If we zoom out, look at the chart on both. I think actually it's pretty similar for the SPY and the Qs. It's just the SPY is a lot closer to all-time highs, and the Qs are pushing a better percentage. They got like more meat on the bone. All right, let's see. Wait, where? So yeah, let's see if Apple can get above this. I'm gonna throw an alert there. This 261.82, and then what? Amazon still kind of pulling back. Right, yeah, Nvidia's up. Let me adjust the range on that. You said Palantir looking good, 181.58 maybe your entry. I hear you with the Palantir. Yeah, SoFi trying to go for it a little bit. Got me wanting to pull Palantir up again. Oh, we're up. We're live. Okay. Here, I'm gonna drop down to 15. Let me drop down on AMD too. I guess we'll drop down on Palantir. And yeah, we'll just kind of wait here. So yeah, we'll see how this first 15 minutes go. Let me drop down on the Qs as well. Let me make sure we don't have any data coming through real quick. Nah, we're chilling. Yeah, we got everything already. All right, so we got the Qs, or we got AMD pushing up. So I might I'm looking if AMD goes up and hits my level, I will here, let me actually set, like, look at this range real quick. Okay, yeah. Next level. Okay, yeah, I'm probably, hold up. Let me see. What's the day? The 15th? Oh, using AMD contracts kind of money a little bit. Oh yeah, it just hit. All right, so I'm gonna actually, I'm gonna be quick with it. Oh, hold up, it's already, man, it already moved. Hold up, I'm gonna need it to chill out. I took too long kind of looking for it already. Here, let's see if it'll come back. I'm gonna need that to chill out real quick. Yeah, bring it on back. Come on. This thing I don't like about like being here right at market open. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna get this contract that was here. I'm gonna replace the order. Bro, it's already ran up so much. All right, let's see. Come on. Bro, every time I try to put my order in. Oh, it's like it's trying to come back down. Come on. Yeah, I might get filled. Nah, it's all over the place. Bro, the spread on this is nasty. Oh, there we go. Wait, what? My order? Oh, okay. I guess all right. So I'm filled. I grabbed a uh AMD 227 put expiring tomorrow, and I paid 125 per share. All right, so yeah, we'll see kind of what we get. I'm gonna throw the hiking ashes on up here. Let me share this with the family as well. Yeah, we'll kind of see how that plays out. Give me one moment. Uh, just grabbed an AMD. What is it? 227.50 call expiring. What was it? January, what's it? 16th? Paid 125 per share. Yeah, it's still probably a little down on it right now, but yeah, I think I got a good little contract. I didn't get much time though, so I need stuff to happen right now. But yeah, AMD looks like should be good for some kind of pullback. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change NVIDIA over here to AMD as well. And then like similar to how I have the SPY over here, I'm going to have the hike and ashes on AMD over here. So oh wait, switch the candles up. We're taking it to the 2 minute, and then we'll look at this on the 15 over here. And also sorting that up for now. All right, so let's see. All right, 182, 5 calls on Palantir would be my strike price. Looks like it's still deciding. Here, let me see. Let me see what I'm seeing. All right, so let me zoom out on the. All right, so yeah, me personally, I would need confirmation above like 180 before I even considered Palantir. I would need the confirmation on the 15. So if I'm looking at Palantir, I'm looking right here, and I would need confirmation. Like I would need something showing like, hey, it's gonna hold. Let me see how AMD is doing real quick. All right. Ooh. Oh wait, hold up. I was looking at my shares. I was about to say, I'm like, dang, I'm already up like 70%, but I'm up like 25% on the AMD, or 27% now. Hey, that's already lunch money right there. I'm gonna kind of sit here, let it do its thing. Wait, hold up. So SoFi is running. Here, we can throw that up here where the Qs are, but I'm still waiting on SoFi to pull back to a certain level. But it looks like it could be meeting some resistance. Let's zoom out, see what it looks like. Yeah, it's at the 200 EMA. Dang, it's still like the first like what? It's only 8 minutes in. It's like so much happens right at market open. But SoFi, yeah, SoFi has resistance at, I guess it's 27, 23 area. Oh yeah, Palantir, Palantir got a lot of selling pressure there. We're pulling back on the SPY as well. Love to see that on AMD too. Tesla trying to push to 443. The market is looking like it's trying to like do a little pulling back right here. Let's see, Tesla. Oh yeah, it's not trying to hold. It's not trying to hold that either. You got some liquidity right here, possibly trying to sweep. Yeah, the market's trying to take some liquidity. It's trying to steal some money. We'll see how this holds up. All right, I see. Hey, we got a red candle on the Heiken Ashi, but it doesn't mean anything yet. Oh yeah, yeah. Like I said, it didn't even close red. AMD's trying to pull back up now. Yeah, this contract's all over the place. I'm gonna just watch the chart. All right, we got Tesla. Tesla trying to hold up now too. Gap fill, reversal on SPY unless it supports 693.75. I feel like by the end of the day, there's a good chance of us pulling back, but we'll kind of see. That's kind of been the story. We've kind of played the range. I would say SPY needs to. Oh, right now while it's holding its 13 EMA, like it's chilling. Oh, that AMD's up 35%, $45 on the contract. That's like honestly, ideally, yeah, I'd like to at least right here, but I think it could come fill in the gap as well. So we'll see. I'm just trying to play it patient, not rushing to anything. Wait and see if we can actually get a trend started. But just to those of you wondering why I got in this trade on AMD, I was looking on the 4 hour, saw this liquidity here. And honestly, I think it can at least, like just looking at the move, I think it can come fill in this gap to 224. So honestly, if I were looking at like where I fully could see it coming, I guess like looking to about right here, that would be a solid full move. Like if it comes there early on, I'm out of that thing so fast. Oh wait, hold on, wrong. It's- Got a little sell off action on SoFi, a little bit, or a little liquidity action. Same with Tesla. Said thanks for explaining. I was sort of. Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, no, yeah. Don't hesitate to ask questions. That's kind of why I get on here and do this live. I want to like interact with y'all. Also, yo, I get like so many questions. This is like my only or one of my few opportunities to like actually, answer the questions being asked to me like live. It's like the amount of DMs and stuff I receive, comments, everything. Yo, I cannot keep up, but yo, if you're willing to come here, chill with me, trade with me, we can there's lots of growth to be had pretty much. All right, so trying to push up, hold up. Looks like we held it like 231.51 level. I guess I'll have to see kind of what happens here. Yo, we still aren't even like a full 15 minutes into the day. All right. Oh, Amazon pushing back up. I should be down now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm down on that now. First 15 minutes going wild. But yeah, we got some selling pressure on SoFi. Always growth, especially in trading. Take take care of the. Hey, same to you, family. And hey, appreciate that. All right, AMD trying to push up now. Hey, this could probably should have taken the early profit, but we'll see. We'll see. As long as we don't get confirmation up here on the 15, I'm chilling. But when we look at the story of everything that just happened, we just got our first 15-minute close. The candle started down here, closed up here. Yo, the trend is still bullish for now. Pound here above 180 for the time being. Let's see. Wait, where's it at? Oh, there we go. All right, so it's there. Once again, still need the confirmation. But yeah, I'm kind of glad we're here during while we still have a while there's volume today. I'll be trading when there's volumes low sometimes, or most times, and it's good for taking like swing entries. But beyond that, it's like man, hold up, y'all. My hands are dry. All right, we back. Yo, we trying to push up. SoFi doing a little pullback. PCE kind of chilling out for now. PCE open up around 0.55. Getting let me pull up Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like we're getting a little Bitcoin pullback. Yeah, right now or at least. Oh, let me clean up Bitcoin. I had some stuff going on over here. Let's see. Okay. Clear all this out. Had a Zoom call last night. AMD still trying to push up. Oh, also, yeah, let's see how Bitcoin's doing in relation to this channel that we found yesterday. Oh, hold up. The Tom Lee announcement was wild. Tom Lee announcement. Yeah, I think I'm out of the loop. Here, let me see what let me see what he announced. Oh, that AMD trade is down like just to update y'all, it's down like 30%. Just so we can see the actual journey of what a trade looks like. The ups and the downs. All right, so let's see. So you said how'd the Zoom call go? I would say that so the Zoom call it was it was just JP on, but like when it comes to the actual content in the Zoom call, I would say it's very good. Like it's it was a good lesson. Like it was just we had the market structure we were on last week, and we just went over more advanced market structure. It was good. So like I would say that's a good one to play back. I could like probably put that in the course if needed. Let's see. What was I? Oh, I was looking at. You said investment into Beast. I don't even know what Beast is, but I'm looking at it right now. Oh, Mr. B. Okay, that's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking, but I was like, okay. Okay, so I've heard rumors about this platform, but like, okay, this is really confirming it then. Making a $200 million equity investment in Beast Industries, the company of popular YouTuber Mr. Beast, to integrate decentralized finance into Beast's upcoming financial platform, capitalizing on its massive Gen Z millennial audience for Ethereum adoption. The deal backed by investors like Kathy Wood. Okay. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Should be interesting. I mean, time will tell. It's just yeah, that's gonna take some time. All right, so we got the SPY pulling back right now, Palantir pulling back. Nvidia's still moving up too. President Trump has imposed a 25% tariff on certain advanced chips, including AMD's MX 325X. How recent is that? Let me see. Yo, we still got Meta. Meta's still trying to. It's break even on the day. It was up, but nah, it's still trying to come down. Get a quick look. Yeah, I'm gonna need that to come back. Yeah, bring that on back, my friend. Bring that on back. Meta yesterday went sideways when everything else was recovering. Not a good look for. Oh, nah, yeah. Nah, it's a good look for me. I like bro. I would like Meta to come on down. All right, you got Palantir trying to push this level to a little bit. Trying, it's trying. But yeah, it's like I would like the stuff I'm looking at to kind of continue making its way down. That would very much so be a good look for me. But yeah, Meta, let that come on down. TTD, I'm gonna hey, say let that come on down too. Not a good look for upside. Not a bad. Hey, yeah, yeah. Definitely not a good look for upside. Short term upside. I was hey long term. Yeah, it's like I would say long term upside. It looks good because it's like oh yeah, we no longer like if you really look at Meta, it's like yo we got some gaps and they need to be filled, and I don't know when they'll be filled. So it's like if we come in, we fill these gaps on Meta. It's like, oh yeah, I feel a lot better about that now. Okay, guys, what's up, family? Good morning. Yo, happy Thursday. What a joyous Thursday it is. Let's see. Chuck, top of the morning. Roblox getting to a good level zoom out. Oh yeah, yeah. Look, Roblox has been coming down to some levels like for sure. All right, here, let's yeah, yeah. Like I already had them been at a good level at this 77 area. That went off, and I was like, oh man. It's just like just because it's not one that I wanted long term, but yeah, I gotta say like this the level it's at like incredible. Like it's just like not one that I'm looking at long term. But I would say this is a good level for upside on what is it on Roblox. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. Wait. Have you already put in your trade for today? Just or you just watching? So I entered a trade. I'm down on it right now. So yeah, I entered a trade. I'm in a 227.50 call on AMD that expires tomorrow. And the reason I entered is because if we like, let's see. Oh, I forgot. I gotta be careful when I have these streams public. You know, never know who's watching. But got this liquidity right here on AMD. And it shouldn't hold up. So I think by the end of the day, we'll at least be at 230. But yeah, just kind of where we are right now. That's kind of where we are. Here, I'll be right back. Gotta go grab something. Never mind, wasn't even there to grab. But my wife made these cookie things, and what was I gonna say? Yeah, my wife made these cookie things. Saw them, I was like, yo, let me go ahead and grab some of those. So I'm staying in for another candle on AMD on the 15. Still not convinced. I'll say it was kind of close on this candle over here. But it's like could have gotten out over here, but I'm not convinced yet. Just because of how close that was, I'm still sticking around. It's more like a brownie thing. Oh yeah, we got a little selling off on Palantir. There's Roblox. Let's see how everything else is looking. I think IWM's at all-time highs right now. Having a good day. Yeah, got some resistance just below 265, but yeah, it's doing its thing. Oh, let's take a look at Adobe. Adobe been feeling it. I'm gonna have to grab some more of this too. So we got down to 301.50 today. That's wild. Oh dang, I'm gonna have to close out. Hold on 1 second actually. Oh no, hold up. No, I'm gonna give it front half of the day. We still got some right here. Should be out of the trade, but also let me actually look in. I'm gonna do something that may not be the most responsible. I'm gonna get one more. So I grabbed one more at 64. So I'm in like I guess like right here. Let me update that real quick. All right. And then everything will kind of just be based off of how we're looking at 11. Just started trading a few months ago. Do you know how they do taxes for at the end of the year? So not a financial advisor or anything or tax accountant, but I can tell you that they send you a form like in an email or they'll have it in the app, and you can access the form and it'll kind of have the overall number of how you did for the year. And a lot of times, depending on what you use, the form will have a number that you can just type and it'll import everything for you. But as to how it all works, I couldn't tell you. But yeah, you will get a form for it, and you will be able to enter it in. Matthew, do you think the SPY will be on the upside today? Uh, I'm of the belief that it'll come down at some point. I think we will come back to support at some point today. But I think we'll come down before we come up if I'm being real. But I'm not going to say that we're not going up today. Like ideally, I would like to see us come down earlier and then go up, but honestly, it doesn't matter what I think. But I think we're going to come down first. Like I think SPY will come down to this 690 area. I just don't know what point in the day. That's my assumption. Very welcome. Let me get back to, let's see. No, Palantir sound off. I think AMD trying to draw people in. It's like I've seen it many times before. Oh, I got Palantir in both spots. 1 second. What I have right here before. Shopify looking a little better today. I like seeing around 155 yesterday. Oh, Lyft is down a little bit more. Well, actually, I guess it's not more. It was around this yesterday too. Oh, just to update y'all, my new average on that AMD sitting. Wait, let me see. It's sitting at 95 now. So looking at the SPY, it looks like the SPY has support at about like I'll say kind of in this 693.50 area. I'd like to see confirmation below this to say like, oh, SPY can start falling now. That's kind of where it's holding up right now. As of right now, it's still in the uptrend, but if it starts to move below that, then you got kind of 692.70. 692.50, then about 691.70, and we just kind of see. Palantir, is that a engulfing candle in the 1 hour? 1 hour, let's see. So I would say an engulfing candle would be like, if you look at this candle right here, this blue one here, let me zoom in. So this candle right here, see how this bearish candle after it is completely within the bounds of it? I would call this an engulfing candle, like the whole body part. But the only thing about it is this candle is on this side. If they were swapped positions, I would say that's engulfing, but engulfing is here, let me see if I can show, because I feel like you've asked me this before. Why? Oh. See if we can find. All right, so one thing you're gonna notice about an engulfing is like the previous candle. Like if you look at the body of it, so I didn't know weak engulfing was a thing, but yeah, usually the body of the candle is going to completely engulf or be larger than the entire candle before it. So that is that's that. So now that I'm saying like this weak engulfing is a thing, I've never really been exposed to that, but I can check and see if it's a weak engulfing. Let's see. You said on the 1 hour. I would Go on to ask which candle are you referring to. This one. Here, let me see what week engulfing is. Well, one part of it, when it comes to the week engulfing, it looks like one part is the body, and the other part is the wick. Whereas on this one, it looks like it doesn't quite pass the body on either side. So I would say no. Yeah, I would personally say no to that. All right, we got lift selling off. Not lower than yesterday though yet. Palantir at 178. Hold up. Let's check in on CRM. Salesforce kind of continues to sell off. What else? There was something I was about to look at. BA Defense doing well. Let's see. Yeah, it's still running. Still running. Oh no, all time highs for Boeing are that's like four something. This could be high of year, but like yeah, if you look at Boeing, if you go back to 2023, it's 266. I remember when it was up here at like 445. And I remember when it fell to like 80 or something. Or I guess it fell to 90. No, it's pretty close to 80. But no, it's like it's not at all time highs. It's just it has not been here. So it's like maybe yo, it's the highest it's been in 5 years. Well, no, not exactly, but it's pretty darn close to the highest it's been in 5 years. But yeah, Boeing dropped the hardest from it. Oh, you said 2 year high. Oh, for sure. Hold up. All right. Yeah, so Boeing doing a little push up too. That's cool. Let me see how my Mag 7 doing. All right, SPY is up at 94. Q's up at 625.26. I know Microsoft has not been doing so hot. Let's see. Lucid is at an all-time low pretty much. Or it's about to be. Yeah, hold up. This might be all-time low. Or it just was. Yeah, all-time low before today was 1046. It hit 1043 today, so really makes you like reevaluate. Like I'm buying like $6 of Lucid every day. Yeah, let's see. Let me just. I was like, I'm not like too invested into it, but this is what I'm buying right now, so I kind of care about Lucid a little bit. All right, we got the SPY pushing out more. Shoot, oh shoot. Hold on, let me see where this dude put my stuff. Nice, by the door. Is that Cheyenne? Hey, what's up? Top of the morning. Lock Doctor, what's up, family? Or is it Cheney? Chanel. Or shit. All right, starting to see a little more selling pressure on AMD. Shane, okay. He said my whole life don't trip. Okay. Yeah, it's like yeah, you don't know it. Don't know it until you like either hear it or have it explained. I'm like, yo. But appreciate you like pointing that out. Mahishu, what's up? What's up? It's been a minute. Yeah, I hope all is well. Okay, finally showing a little bit of selling pressure on AMD. The hiking actually starting to cross down below on the two. I'm now up on the second contract. I got still down overall, but yo, it's been a this morning is been a ride. I'm down 30% overall on the position I have. And top of the morning, you said a day early. Yeah, I just felt like coming in. I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow. I just felt like coming in at market open and yeah, I just made it public. Are y'all like just now getting notifications or like just now seeing this? Because I'm noticing people starting to slip in, but I'm being here. Been watching a while, changed my YouTube name to reflect. Okay, because I know I already knew the Lock Doctor. Like, but yeah, the Shane on there, that's new to me. I was like, I remember Lock Doctor. I was like, I didn't know I had multiple Lock Doctors on the screen. But I'm like, yo, the name looks different. Hey, love to see your name in here, Ann. Love to see your name in here. Yeah, it's more fun to trade when you got more. Actually, yo, sometimes friends are just a distraction, but it's like when you're just chilling between things slow down. It's more fun to trade when you got friends. All right, so we're pulling back a little bit on this AMD. Let's see if we can get back to where I originally entered the first trade. The second trade, kind of doing all right. Or first entry, kind of in the green on that, but the second one is in the green on that one, but the first one not so hot. Had neck surgery. Oh, hope that went well. Okay, just now getting better to grip your. Hey, I'm happy that you are getting better. I think my dad had surgery on his neck. Oh, he can't turn it now. He has to like turn his whole body. And I don't think he can look up. Like he would have to like lean his body back. So yeah, I hope all is glad to hear the improvement. All right, let's say, dang, ouch on the neck surgery. Just had a client yesterday that's going down to Mexico to get stem cells injected into his neck. Said it's, hey, well, I hope he gets those good stem cells. But yeah, as long as recovery's in the picture, that's cool with me. All right, AMD trying to fight a little bit. I feel like I had a dream that I was streaming something. And it's like I don't think there's necessarily something that I necessarily do every day, but apparently it's something I used to do every day. But there was something that I did every day, and I hadn't done it in a while. And then someone asked me to do it, and then I was like, "Oh yeah, it's been a minute since I've done that." And it's like, yo, I would love to do that again. Like let's do it. And it felt so real. I feel like there's something like that we can do like that right now. I just it's not I don't know exactly what it is. All right, Palantir trying to push back up. Thank you. Yes, I see that me and your father are going through the same thing. As far as not being able to move our neck right now, you have to move. Yeah, yeah, no, yeah. He has to move with his whole body. He has to. It's been a few years for my dad. It's yeah. Sometimes I forget about it. I like try to have him do something. And he's like, "Oh no, I can't do that." And I'm like, "Oh yeah," but he still gets around. All right. Yeah, he's probably trading right now himself. Oh, hold up. I just got an idea. I need a stick. Bro, yeah, AMD chilling up here. I forgot I could close something. All right, spies once again testing I guess testing resistance. You said, so what are we into today? I'm gonna put on AMD. Right now it's going against me, but just to show you the basis or the bias behind the trade. So I entered over here on some liquidity. It's ran up, but then I like look back, it's like, oh, there's some more over here. So now, because of that, I'm still expecting a reversal here too. So actually, let me look back to this. Where'd that lead? So I think both of them still point me to about the 324 area. And I'm really just, yeah, trying to stick it out on the 4 hour time frame, see how it goes. Like on the 4 hour or by 11 or within like the next hour and 22 minutes, I should kind of have an idea of how I'm feeling about this trade. But yeah, it's like I was looking at confirmation here, but as long as we don't confirm here, it's solid. Like we can see we got the resistance right here on the 15 is not confirming. But yeah, I would think we come back to at least retest this area over here, if not this low over here. So that's me specifically. I know some people have been looking at Palantir, um, but the biases I heard from Palantir, I don't think they've actually occurred yet. You said choppy market today? Yeah, the one day I try to trade in the morning. That's not a Friday. But we'll see. Yes. All right, so we got Palantir testing 180 again. We got Spy testing resistance again. Um, so from here on the Spy, we can either break out and push up, or there's a good chance we'll come back down and like this will be the beginning of the move lower. From here, like if we fail, I would like to see how we do with this 13 EMA. And then if we lose that 13 EMA, yeah, we're coming down. Oh, also top of the morning, DK. All right, so I'm hoping this turns out to be like a double top, but the SPY might keep going here. So it might just be the SPY going on to continue. Been trading Nvidia for the past hour. Oh, is it chopping? Well, yeah, it's probably looking like here. Let's see. Yeah, so Nvidia was a good swing, but yeah, it like ran up and it's like pulling back now. Why does it look like I have a? Oh, I'd love to see Nvidia come close the gap. Which way are you trading on Nvidia? So look at Apple. Yo, Apple's been in the same rate. I have a call on Apple. I'm like sideways on it. Look at this. Look at this. It's like I got in on Monday looking for I'm like, oh yeah, it's close to this level. But first I told Kong, I was like, yo, I'm gonna wait. Then I saw like some news and I'm like, oh yeah, I could see this like happening overnight, but it could also happen over the weekend. I did say that. So it's like I'm not tripping about it. But yeah, I've been sideways in Apple. I got a little call on it. You got a 189 call strike on Nvidia. Okay. All right. AMD, we got like a mini Head and Shoulders on the two. I think I like that. I think I like that. Come on. Quit wasting my time. Let's get to it. Let's get down to business, family. Yeah, so taking a look at AMD, a lot of resistance up at 237. Would like to see it come below 234. You said you're day trading, by the way. I might be day swinging. We'll see. April, top of the morning. Yeah, yeah. This it seemed like today the like with the news we had going on, it seemed like it'd be a better time to trade because it's been kind of slow the days that or at the time. I'm like the last few days I've been like man, I've seen like some easy money and I just didn't take the opportunity. Shane said I do both. Like to swing dividend stocks so far. Yeah, I just kind of average into my dividend stocks. I'm not like I don't have like a lot of dividend stocks, so don't think I'm like this crazy dividend investor. But it's like I do like to just hold mine. Palantir might be setting up for a long. So I think well, depending on what you're saying about Palantir setting up for a long, it's like I see it more setting up for a short. Right now, it's in a downtrend, but yeah, there could still be upside to it. Like it's depending on what time frame you're looking at. It's like I would say I would short up here in this 187 to 184 level, but right now it's kind of like it can go either way. Depends on like how much of a move you're looking for. April, I got lucky on MU and bought a call last night. It hit. Oh, yeah, that TSMC sympathy. Let's see how MU did. Let's see what kind of movement you got. Oh yeah, that's a nice little gap. That's a nice gap right there. Nice little move right there. Hey, good stuff, April. I like to think you did more than get lucky. I think you probably had a thesis. You had something that you expected to happen. It played out. May have worked out better than you thought, but update on my AMD. Currently down 27%. 27% on that. Using the fib and retracing back to I think the only fib level use is I think it's like point 0.5 and 0.061 or something like that. That little range right there, golden pocket. Say yes, better than you thought. Hey, those are the best right there. When you get your move, but it's more of a move than you thought, and you're holding something for it. Especially like when it's an overnight. That's the thing about that I like about swings. It's like I might be accounting for one thing, and then it ends up giving me more. AMD still trying to work on pushing up. You need them to stop playing this game. We got a spy. I still need confirmation, but it's below that support that it was holding up at today. Still need confirmation though. SPY still trying to hold up a little bit. Yeah, we're consolidating right now. I think it's yo consolidation is good though because you're building up for a larger move. Yeah, we still got a lot of sellers above from what I'm seeing at above 236 on AMD, we got a lot of sellers. Hopefully they sell us down. All right, well, we got 6 minutes left on this candle. Yeah, we might be looking ready to go to the next level. So SPY back to 93.30. Yeah, it's kind of trying to move down. Palantir still having trouble getting above that level. Yeah, I think we're big chilling. DK said, "What's everyone trading?" Bro, on the day, let me see what's looked like it's moved. Actually moved on my list. You said you're in long on Palantir. Honestly, since I've been here, not much has moved. Like we had some stuff move up. Like Meta moved up like $3. Tesla's in a tight range. AMD moved up a little bit, but now it's holding pulling down. Well, actually, AMD moved up good if you bought right at open. D Scurv said, "I'm in QQQ, Palantir, SoFi, and Tesla calls." I imagine you have some time on those for sure. Here, let's throw the Qs up here real quick. All right, so right now, similar to this, the SPY, the Qs are pulling back a little bit on the day after that nice gap up. So they got a gap down to like the gap down on the Qs is large. That's almost to a little past 619. 2 to 3 weeks. Tesla. All right, so the end of the month. All right, so we're trying to hold up on this candle. SPY said it's not coming below that support right now. Here, let me. And then AMD's not coming below like 235.60 or so. I played SPHL. That's one of those dividend ones you were talking about, right? Oh, dang. You grab shares on this, or were you trading options? Let's see. Let's see if they have options. I'm just curious. Oh, yeah, it had to be shares. Okay. Oh, it's halted right now, too. Up 479% on the day. All right, so we got AMD back at this 237 resistance. All right, so yeah, we got some stuff. The SPY's trying to push up too. Trying to work up to its resistance. We got a Palantir trying to push back towards the 180 area. D-Scurv said banking on Q's getting back to all-time highs. Not likely, but is. Let's see how it's doing in progress to that. Get rid of this old stuff. Yeah, we're really chopping it up right now. They traded shares on the cash account. He said, "Don't do this to me, Palantir." All right, let's see. PCE up at 0.6. All right, so SPY's back at that resistance. SoFi hitting previous day high right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's running. It's running for it now. Yeah, SoFi running. I'm still waiting on what I'm waiting on, but SoFi is going for it. Oh, you got Meta coming up too now. Meta's doing a little better on the day. Well, apparently it popped up to 622. All right, so we're trying to push up now, kinda. See if we can actually confirm on something. Say Q's look a little better. Yeah, that's trying to. And we gotta push trying to be made right now. We got Euro close in like 28 minutes. We'll see how that affects things. See whether the Europeans want to buy or sell us. All right, we got SPY. Oh, still up here. So this is going for this will be a triple top if we don't push here. I think it's coming down. Wait, okay. Shane said, basically, instead of paper trading, I chose to play a small cash account, forcing me to sit and learn more than push buttons. Works really well for me. That's a good way to do it. Honestly, if I'm being real, I never like actually paper traded. I do like the little watch list thing, but nah, it's always my paper trading has always been real money as well. That way I feel the pain of loss. I agree on SPY. Yeah, you have to trade real money or else it just feels like a game. For some people the real money does feel like a game. Especially on Robinhood, but yeah, you gotta have those real emotions in it. And you have to experience tilt to be more disciplined. What do you mean by tilt? Seems like okay. All right, what's up, M Sense? Like number 19. Oh yeah, be sure. Hey, friendly reminder, smash the like button. I've been lurking anyhow at the gig, was on the road, got an AMD by the way, so did you hop out? No, I'm still in it. I got a second one. Still in Palantir. Too bad Delta was Solo, let's get this toast. I like my bread fresh. Some of it, I like some of it toasted, but yo, as long as it's fresh, yo, we having a good time. All right, yeah, we're still up here at the highs. Just bro, we're really, yo, we're lurking up here at the highs like incense was on this stream, bro. We're just here. All right, we got yo, yo, we're trying to push up. Still holding resistance. We got 20 minutes till Euro close. We got 50 minutes till the closure of the first 4 hour. Hold on, y'all. Real quick. I'm gonna check and see what's at my doorstep. I'm still here though. Oh, I know what this is. I ordered this. Got a steamer. Options grower, top of the morning. Top of the top. It's kind of cold outside. Let's see. What's the weather? It was like 40 degrees. All right, okay, it's trying to, yeah, we're trying to hold up now. Let's see. Wait, what time frame is this? This all? I'm still looking at AMD. That's the 15. It hasn't done much this candle. Not much range on the candle. We still got a minute 40 seconds on it. We still got a minute. Yo, we might just be here. We might just be here today. I don't know. Doing some making some sideways movement. All right, once again, 15 minutes till Euro close. Might be coming down on the spike. Yeah, that would be my take. I think they're just trying to waste time. We'll eventually get something. Yeah, just up and down in the 15-minute orb all day. Yeah, we have been up and down. A lot of sidewaydedness in trading. Oh, QQQ goes to 630. I wanna see him close that gap, fill that gap in from overnight, and then it can go to 630. I'd be cool with that. Q's open for 635 by next Friday. I think that could very much so happen. especially with Trump doing the pump. You said we'll be okay with today's well. As long as I have the time to like flip into it, I'm cool with it too. This is why you get time on your contracts, the BART. Very, very quick. Very, very quick. Yes, the games they like to play. Eat at these contracts. Just dropped something on my desk and I don't know where it went. I'm done for the day. I can happily take my 110. Hey, good stuff. Beyond watching. Yeah, I'm gone in the next 10 to 40 minutes. Yeah, I either want to see how Euro close plays out, or I might stick around to the closure of the first 4-hour candle. Oh, we gotta read our dad joke for the day. Let's see how we're looking. All right, what's it? Oh, this is from yesterday. All right. I don't have a dad bod. I have a father figure. Okay. All right. I do not have a dad bod. Do I own any pets? Not. No, not at the moment. It's like I like animals, but no, I don't own any pets. I do have this farm, like, or I guess it's more of a ranch with a lot of cows that my wife and I will like walk to. That's like pretty close to us, and we'll go like chill with the cows for a little bit. But other than that, nah, no pets. We used to do a lot of pet sitting and stuff though. Dog walking, all that good stuff. Do you have any pets? If so, what kind of pets do you have? I'll say I'm predominantly a dog person, but yeah, I like animals. All right, spy looks like it's trying to push up a little bit. We'll wait and see what confirmation looks like. We got 7 minutes till Euro close. You said you're on every Thursday? No, it's Fridays. I'm just on today. I just wanted to get on. Like I normally stream today, but it's normally private on Thursday. I just decided to go public today. So spy at 695. Thought today would be a little more exciting. Or at least I thought the morning would be. All right, so AMD didn't want to confirm. Last pet you had was a guinea pig. Don't they like get depressed? Yeah, pre-market was exciting. It's almost like it's always the session before I get on that the market wants to be exciting. And then maybe if I decide to take a nap today, it'll get exciting then too. All right, so looking like we're not holding up. Still got 3 minutes till European close. The opening candles today on Intel on the 15-minute. Oh, hold on. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I would appreciate that. You don't really see those too often on yeah, like right here. Yeah, you don't really see that too often. But yeah, that is an engulfing candle right there. This black one to the downside. And typically, there is more downside to follow. But yeah, that's a great example right there. All right, we got 1 minute into Euro close, or we got 1 minute till Euro close, and we're still. I mean, SPY is kind of slightly above resistance. I'm gonna take it back to the Qs now. All right, still nothing on Euro close. I'm gonna watch the volume now. Meta's trying to push up today, finding a little bit of life. Oh, there's the FedEx dude again. Probably gonna drop in my driveway again. Bro, it sounds like he's just kind of slamming and stuff. Let me see. there's like nothing going on. EMA is crossing to the upside on the Qs in the 30-minute time frame. I mean, the Qs is, it's up right now anyway. So yeah, they're crossing the 15. The 1 minute is closer to coming down, but it's still kind of up. If we jump up to a 2, hold on, it's kind of frozen right now. Okay, there it is. On a 2, it's starting to look down a little bit, but not. It's still not like close to being crossed. But yeah, it's trying to come down on it too. It looks like it needs to come back to like 624 if I'm looking at the 2. Palantir trying to cross. No, Palantir's taking this time, but definitely taking this time. I'm gonna throw this jacket on. Palantir has a wedge forming. Here, yeah, I'll have to. I can take a look at a larger analysis on it real quick. Yeah, we're very sideways right now. Started on the 12th. Here, let's see. On the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of some of these lows short term. Got too many lines and stuff. All right, okay. Sellers holding open on NQ. All right, let's see real quick. Let's draw this little. So yeah, right there on Palantir, and then when it comes to going back, probably like something like that. Yeah, so right now I would say Palantir is not going anywhere. See how this range just keeps getting smaller? Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Not yet. You might have some that's like, I guess at the latest, like if it waited to like the last second, this move would need to be made by the 21st. But yeah, Palantir right now, oh, it's not going anywhere. Oh, I'll be right back. Let me bring this stuff in. Ooh. I'm over here saying, ooh, oh. I feel like I'm so used to it, like kind of hurting a little bit to get up. Right now, I kind of feel good. Doesn't really hurt like that though. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, a toaster. Okay, my wife got a toaster. I already have a toaster. All right. Oh, good. AMD. I would love it to actually come pull back. It's still kind of holding the same like support it's been holding. Oh no. El Nino is expected to return in 2026, bringing colder weather to North Texas. Hey, we don't want it. Do not want it. I want it to warm up. Hell, I just paid my first like gas bill here. I didn't realize my house was heated by gas. I thought it was electric heating. Bro, that thing it was high. I'm like, man, was not expecting that, but Is what it is. Gotta stay warm out here, but yeah, if it gets cold, and that man's about to run up. Yeah, I'll probably give it like 15 more minutes or so on the stream. Shoot, probably would have been a better day for me to come in at my normal time. So let me check in on Meta again. Meta up at 622. Meta is a play today. SPY still trying to push a little bit. Apple still trading sideways. Amazon trying to move up a little bit more today. Nvidia doing a little better. Tesla's going nowhere today. Bro, AMD, I didn't even realize it was up 12. Hold up, let me look at my portfolio as a whole. Yeah, AMD should be, I was just looking at the shares, or the options, but. Oh yeah, we're looking all right on AMD. Portfolio as a whole today, looking kind of nice too. Yeah, we like what we see. Bro, Grab is just atrocious right now. If it wants to come down to like 383, yeah, that's looking nasty. Said go SoFi is a good play today as well. So with SoFi for me, I like to see at least $1 on the docket. Like percentage wise, SoFi is good. Percentage wise, grabbing shares, SoFi is good. I like to see like a. Here, let me check in. Yeah, SoFi up like 43. on the day. Like if I can get a good dollar of movement out of SoFi, I'm like, yo, that's when it's like, oh, yeah, that thing was nice. You check the options analytics. Well, Mike, oh, there it is. Okay. I had it kind of covered up a little bit. Let's see. So there's like a load of calls on AMD at 235. Put volume's all honestly pretty low. Open interest for the morning or for the week. There's a wall at 240. There's a pretty solid wall at 230 as well to start the day, but we got above that. I would like to see us come back to that. All right, so the SPY, if the SPY can hold up here, there's a good chance SPY will here let's look at. Actually, there's a little liquidity here. Here, I'm gonna take this level and drag this up here just to see how it reacts. But SPY is kind of at the next level, and this is an area that this is on a 15. Let me go up to a 1 hour and see what that looks like. Yeah, it shows up on the 1 hour too. So yeah, I would like to see from here SPY confirm above this level, or if it doesn't confirm, this might be an area where a reversal could occur. Let me go up to a 4 hour, see what it looks like. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance at this level right here actually. So it could push to all-time highs, but if it does, there's a good chance of selling off, whether it be overnight or whatever. But yeah, there's a lot of resistance right here. But yeah, we got like 6 minutes on this first 4 hour candle. I'm gonna pull everything out to the 4 hour, see how we're looking. right, so got, what is it? 3 minutes, or actually 2 and some seconds till we get that first 4 hour close. So, dang. Let's see. Ford Motor and BYD are in discussions on a partnership in which, which the American car maker would buy batteries from the Chinese automaker, auto giant for. Okay, I was about to say, like, I thought, my mind went to a completely different place. I was about to be like, wow, that is, some money right there. Because, BYD, bro, the stuff they be doing with their cars out there, I'm like, oh yeah, if they were out here, I'd probably take them over a Tesla. All right. So I guess that's going to do it for the day. I'll be watching kind of like in the background as I'll be watching in the background to make sure it doesn't like get out of control. But yo, that's going to do it for the day. I'm about to go work out. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping in, checking in on the stream, being here. And with that being said, family, I hope each and every one of y'all have a blessed day. And I hope y'all's trades go y'all's way. With that being said, Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Mahishu, heal up. D-Scurr, peace out. Options Grower, peace out. Incense, peace out. Move One, peace out. Shane, peace out. Yo, y'all have a blessed day. Peace out, Incense. Once again, Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. And everyone will be back same time tomorrow. Catch y'all. Peace.